Hi everyone, this is Steve here from Sure Trading. A question we often get asked by people who are just starting out in trading is how long it will take them to be able to live off of the income that they make from trading. Now that's equivalent of asking how long is a piece of string. It depends on a whole number of factors such as your account size, your skill level, the market conditions, and many more factors that I'm not even going to get into right now. We often hear stories of people making millions in a few months on the market, but most of the time these are either completely untrue or they just were extremely lucky. If you speak to any consistently profitable trader, they will tell you that the way they got to where they are was with small gains over a long period of time. And in this video, I want to show you how that's possible. But before we get going, if you're enjoying our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and you can also find the link to join our free Telegram channel in the description below. Now I have prepared a spreadsheet to illustrate to you the potential power there is in starting off with a small account size and growing it slowly, little by little, every month, and before you know it, you could be drawing quite a nice monthly income from it. So let's start with 5,000 Rand starting capital. Why 5,000 Rand? Well, that's because that's the minimum amount our brokers Velocity Trade require you to deposit when opening an account with them. And we'll start off with a monthly gain of 7% per month of the account value. So, after the first month, your profit will be 350 Rand, which is 7% of 5,000 Rand, bringing your total up to 5,350. Now your account has grown by 350 Rand, which means 7% of 5,350 Rand would be 374 Rand 50, which is the profit you make in the second month, bringing your total up to 5,724. As you can see, after each month, your account grows by 7%. And after the first year, so after 12 months, you would have already doubled your account size to 10,524 Rand. Now this is where it starts to get really interesting. Obviously, because your account size is growing, the amount of profit you need to make every month is increasing. So by the end of the second year, if you continue to get 7% gains every single month, your account will be at 23,702 Rand, and that is more than 4 times the size of your account from when you started. And if we continue downwards, you'll see I've gone all the way to 5 years, which is 60 months. By the end of 5 years, your account would be standing at 270,777 Rand 70. Now that's a gain of about 17,000 Rand every month from that point onwards, which I think is not too bad for 5 years worth of trading. Now just to show you how doable it is to make 7% per month, I'm going to open up a chart and then we can have a look on the platform how it all works. So because you have a small account, you'll need to choose the instruments that you trade quite wisely because you won't be able to trade a lot of instruments because the margin required is higher than your account balance. So what we're going to look at is the Forex mini pairs. So as you can see here, these are all the ones that are available on the Velocity Trade platform. Quite a selection of most of the major pairs as well as the South African Rand pairs. But let's have a look at the Euro US dollar pair to start with. So in order to trade 1 Euro US dollar mini lot, you will need a margin of 182 Rand. So if your account size is 5,000 Rand, you have more than enough money in your account to take at least one of these. So let's assume that we have entered a trade with 1 Euro US dollar mini lot, and let's see what kind of move you need in order to make your required profit, which is 350 Rand which equates to 7% of your 5,000 Rand account balance. So let's have a look over here. If we were to catch this move, for instance, entered over here, this is now one mini lot, and we exited somewhere at the top over there, that's already 346 Rand profit. Now bear in mind, this 350 Rand that you need to make is over the entire month, and you will have losses and you will have gains. So you just need to average out at a profit level of 350 Rand for the month. So let's say you entered a couple of trades. You made 100 or 200 Rand over there, then you lost 100 Rand over there, gained another 280 Rand over there. As you can see, it's very, very feasible for you to make 350 Rand off of a 5,000 Rand account, as long as you stick to your money management rules and you have all the stop losses, etc. in place. Now, if you look at the other pairs, let's go to a US dollar ZAR mini pair. Same sort of thing. You can easily make, let's look at this red candle over here. The length of this one candle is 369 Rand profit. And the margin rate required for this is 149 Rand, which is even cheaper than the Euro US dollar. So there you can see that it's definitely possible for you to make that kind of return per month. Now going back to the spreadsheet, let's just have a look and see if you started your capital with 10,000 Rand instead of 5,000 Rand with the same percentage. After a year, you would have doubled your account. After 2 years, you would have 4 times your account. And then after 5 years, your account would be standing at 541,555. So there you can see that it's very possible to grow a small account into quite a substantial account where you'll be making good monthly returns after 5 years. If you have a look here, by the last month of the 5 years, you would be making 35,000 Rand per month. Now this obviously is perfect world scenarios. Sometimes you'll make more, sometimes you'll make less, but on average, if you're making 7% account growth on your account, it's very possible to make a decent living off trading after about 5 years. So, what are you waiting for? Let's take up the challenge, start with a small account, make small gains. Yes, it might take a while. Yes, in the beginning, it might seem silly because you're only making a couple of 100 Rand per month. But if you stick to it for a long period of time, just making slow, consistent gains, it can really be a game changer for you. Well, there you have it. I hope you gained something from this video. And as always, if you enjoyed the content, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Telegram channel available where we share trading content, tips, and ideas. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.